Oh, dinner time, so she got suspenders on. The club was busy tonight. I always go in there. Oh yeah, yeah. Look at her. I want a life with her. I don't even know her name. What's her name? Never seen her before. I'm walking over now. Nothing going to stop me now. Hey baby, I said, what name is this? My name. She didn't even look. I was stuttering. I made a fool of myself. Then she turned her head to the left for a second. Said, how do you do? Said, I'm doing fine. But I was sweating like a pig. I could see my life spend with her. Oh yes indeed. She got everything you need. Baby, can I get you a drink? I didn't have much money, but I would blow it. Anyone would on her. Just look at those lips. She said, no, I'm okay. I'm alright. But never mind. You can chat with me. Did I hear her right? I said, chat with you. What you want with me? I got nothing going on. She said, that's the very reason. I'm rich, but I like it in here. No pretension. No, nothing lying here. No rich, big-headed man. Come in here. I said, whoa, look at me, my dear. Oh, baby. And she got gorgeous decoration. She got a Hell's Angel tattoo. A lot of things I didn't think about. But I'm going for it. What man wouldn't want to do? Oh, gorgeous. I got eating, I got going. I got going really good. By the time I came, she didn't even drop her number. She said, I gotta go. My man is waiting. I said, alright, I'll see you here again. She said, maybe not. Don't expect nothing. We'll just have to wait and see. I saw her again. She didn't remember me. About 2 weeks later, she said nothing to me as I tried to talk to her. I said, remember me? She said, no, I'm sorry, I don't. It just goes to show how people are. Don't adjust indeed. There's nothing going on good between us. Maybe it was drink, I don't know. Just a night indeed. Oh, I wanna marry her, but that's going right down here. Really would on the very next day. She got everything in it what a man would need. Oh baby, what's happening? You're talking to me tonight. Maybe she's a phony, you could see. I really couldn't say. And she just let the